Today, law departments are facing tremendous changes in demand, the distribution of labor and technology, and use of data. There's continued demand for managing risks properly and doing so efficiently, and there's new demand around enabling business growth.
Leading organizations are implementing and deploying modern processes and solutions that empower legal teams to work more strategically and add more value. But how? PwC's Cloud for Legal, a first-of-its-kind set of solutions built on Microsoft Azure, helps to equip law departments to unlock critical legal data, make smarter decisions, and create elevated experiences across the entire business.
That means seeing the broader field, connecting the systems together in a way that's not been done before. We've created Cloud for Legal to address these challenges. Cloud for Legal brings a legal natural language processing that's trained on the language of law, a legal data lake that has connectors to common enterprise legal management systems, and packaged business capabilities that can be incorporated to enable end-to-end automation of legal processes.
Collecting and managing data is table stakes. The next evolution is about activating that data. Your cloud journey involves more than just evolving IT. It's about transforming your business, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Together, Microsoft and PwC can empower companies. First, creating a collaborative workforce. Microsoft empowers everyone to flexibly work, learn, collaborate, innovate from anywhere. Second, creating impact faster. Microsoft helps you achieve the fastest time to value with the most complete, integrated, and open platform. And third, providing a secure cloud paired with a human-centric approach to innovation and world citizenship, helping you confidently grow a sustainable and reliable business. PwC is all in on Microsoft, and at Microsoft, we're all in on PwC as a customer, advisor, and collaborator. PwC's deep industry experience combines with the security, flexibility, and speed of Microsoft Azure to strengthen and extend the last mile of your legal transformation.